Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So anyways, I don't know why I'm so happy, but y'all know. So in today's video I'm going to talk about this hair that you see on my head, this braidless crochet that I did 2 weeks ago. And I just wanted to do like an update about this hair because honey, I got some tea on this hair. Like, you wanna know, like, if you want to purchase this hair, those are the things you should know, like, for real. I don't really moisturize my hair. I just slick the front of my hair so it can match really well, but you know, this is still a lot of hair, you know. And the thing about this hair, I think first week is like the most beautiful curl you will ever see in your entire life. No, I'm joking, but it's so beautiful, the curls, that after like 2 weeks it gets like this. Like, I really wanted to show you how it is. Like, before, you know, I wanted to cut some pieces in the morning, you know, but I just wanted to show you how it looks like. And when I'm going to sleep, I'm not going to sleep like that. I just twist the hair and then I unravel in the morning. So the hair tangle, like you can see, for real, you cannot run your hands through the hair. Like, this is impossible. And you cannot, I guess, wait. Part of my hair is not too wide compared to the last time I did braidless crochet. It's just, you know, the hair moves like a lot in the back of the hair, because as long as you slick down your hair, it will go back like this. It will not stay the same place, because remember, this is braidless crochet. This is not a solid base to do crochet, so you know, it's really a quick hairstyle. You can maximum, I think, with braidless you can wear it up to 2 weeks. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going I think, yeah, tomorrow I'm going to unravel this hair and do something new. And the hair shade like a lot. Like shading, but like, this is like synthetic hair, so of course it's going to shade. And the end looks like raggedy. This is so raggedy, this is so ratchet. Like, I can't wait. Oh shit, you know, you see this motherfucking took my, how do we call this, my hairpin. It was stuck in the bottom of the hair. You see, the hair are really raggedy. Like I don't know if it's me, but you know, I do sleep well with this hair, but I think it's really the texture of the hair. So I mean, you cannot do anything. Like, this is really the texture of the hair. I think after a while this hair start to shade, to get matted up together. And if that's even a word, anyways, it gets, yeah, you know, it gets like this. Like, synthetic hair gets like this, seriously. Nighttime routine, like I say, you know, I slick with the edge control. Now I use a water to slick down, and then I put my little scarf around the perimeter of the hair to, you know, tie this bitch up. And then every day I do this, and then I'm good for the day. And yeah, I mean, see my hair. It can really go like, it can really be like my hair, my natural hair, but you know, I mean, you know, that was I was going to say about this hair. Of of course, when you do that, you need to slick your edges. Like when you do that, you need to slick your edges. Like this is your edges is not going to get slick by itself, so you need to slick your edges. And yeah, the hair is still, I think it still looks nice, but I say that every time. But you know, I don't like, you know, certain hair, like the last birthday crochet I wore, the hair was still good, it was just my base of the hair. And you know, this hair, I don't know, but you know, I can't wait to uninstall this hair, like to take it down, you know. So that's it, that's for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment your thoughts if you ever wore this hairstyle or whatever about the Zury collection. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.